Hi everyone, and thank you for watching another episode of Adam the Chef. I hope you've been enjoying the videos so far. Today I'll be doing a nice, quick, easy recipe on how to make a vegan meringue by using chickpeas. Well, not exactly the chickpeas, it'll be the chickpea water. So I'll do a step-by-step guide, obviously, as I go along, and the recipe will be in the description below. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll get to it.
So to start with, we have 150 millilitres of chickpea water, which we got from a chickpea tin, about 400 gram chickpea tin. We then want to give that a good whisk, and when I say good whisk, set a timer on your phone, 5 to 7 minutes. Then add half a teaspoon of lemon juice and whisk again. Then add some icing sugar, 150 grams, and give that a good whisk until you can basically hold it above your head, but don't try that at home. At this point, I will point out to use a metal bowl or glass rather than a plastic bowl. The reason I don't use a plastic bowl is because it can harbour sort of grease and fat in the crevices of the bowl. However, next I put the chickpea meringue mix into the piping bag, make sure it's tight at the top, and cut a little bit off the end of the piping bag. If you have a piping nozzle, use that, just to make them a little bit prettier. As you can see, my piping skills aren't the best, however for demonstrational purpose I will do a few different types of meringue. However, don't bake these all at the same time. This is for the bigger style meringues, and I put them in the oven for about 2 to 3 hours.
So we now have the chickpea meringues. Perfect, nice and hard. I'll give one a break over here. There we go, lovely. We'll do a nice close-up shot now, and I'm going to make a eating mess. I've got all the fruit laid out here, and I've got a coconut cream, but I'll do a more close-up shot and explain as I go along.
As you can see, I've got all the ingredients laid out for the eaten mess. I've also used a coconut cream to keep it vegan. Coconut cream, dead easy to make. It's basically a tin of coconut milk in the fridge to harden, drain the liquid and whisk up the sort of milky cream which is left. Fresh fruit of your choosing, add some strawberry Kool-Aid, and then make your eaten mess. And there's mine, finished product. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe and share, and appreciate all your help and feedback so far. Thanks for watching.